We are going to start now exercise 9.4 word problems. Do not write anything, do not write anything. Just take out your maths book, page number 110. Let me put down today's date. Okay, please switch off your mics. Otherwise, I'll keep your switch on off. Arjun Maharaj, please switch off your mic. All those students whose mic are on, please switch them off. Yes. Okay, page number 110 in your maths book. Okay, Pratishtha, read the first question. Pratishtha, read the first question. Pratishtha, start reading the first question, or shall I remove you from the meeting?
Ma'am, I can read.
Wait a minute, Rinit. Ritvik, read the first question. Ritvik, read the first question. Okay, I'm going to remove you, Pratishtha.
Man, a man buys 250 grams of sugar every day. What is the weight in kg of the total quantity of sugar he bought in the month of January?
Say it again, Ritvik.
A man buys 250 grams of sugar every day. What is the weight of what is the weight in kg of the total quantity of sugar he bought in the month of January?
Okay, so what happened? A man is there. He is buying 250 grams of sugar. Just wait. Okay. A man is there and he is buying 250 grams of sugar every day. Every day, that means that I told you to take word problem as a story. To take these word problem as a story. So, as a story, if you can see, a man is buying 250 grams of sugar of every day. A man is buying 250 grams of sugar. So, that man is you. Suppose that man is you and you are buying 250 grams of sugar every day. Your mother is sending you to bring some sugar, and some sugar is 250 grams of sugar. Your mother is sending you every day to bring 250 grams of sugar. अब आपसे पूछ रहे हैं व्हाट इज द वेट एंड केजी ऑफ द टोटल क्वांटिटी ऑफ शुगर ही बॉट इन द मंथ ऑफ जनवरी। वो आपको बताना है कि आप जनवरी में कितनी टोटल शुगर लाए हो। जनवरी में आप कितनी शुगर लेकर आए हो? हाउ मच शुगर हैव यू ब्रॉट इन जनवरी? आप वन डे में इतनी लाते हो। वन डे हर आप मॉर्निंग उठते हो और आप हर मॉर्निंग में आप इतनी लाते हो 250 ग्राम ऑफ शुगर। अब जनवरी में कैसे निकालोगे? आपको ये बताने हैं आप सुबह उठते हो आप 251 डे में आप 250 ग्राम शुगर लाते हो रोज। आपको ये बताना है आप जनवरी में टोटल कितनी शुगर लाओगे, कैसे कैलकुलेट करोगे? कैन समबडी टेल मी? यू कैन यूज योर ब्रेन, यू कैन टेल मी सम आइडियाज। कैसे कैलकुलेट?
मैम हम जनवरी में कितने डेज होते हैं उनसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे।
जनवरी में कितने डेज होते हैं हम उसका जो हम वन डे में कितनी ग्राम लाते हैं
मैम 250 ग्राम मल्टीप्लाई
वेट आपका मैंने सुन लिया। कौन बोल रहा था? ये शौर्य? दूसरा कौन बोल रहा था? शौर्य वाज स्पीकिंग। अपूर्वा। ओके यू टेल। नेहित का मैंने सुन लिया। वेरी गुड नेहित, करेक्ट, एकदम परफेक्ट आंसर। नो सॉरी अपूर्वा।
हम जनवरी में 31 डेज होते हैं तो हम वन डे में 250 ग्राम लाते हैं तो हम 250 ग्राम को 31 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे।
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। बोथ ऑफ देम टोल्ड मी द करेक्ट आंसर। Nihit also and Shaurya also, they are both are sorry Apurva also and Nihit also, they told me the correct answer. What is this? See, आप वन डे में 250 ग्राम शुगर ला रही हो। अब जनवरी में कितनी लाओगे इससे पता करने के लिए यू हैव टू नो हाउ मेनी डेज आर देयर इन जनवरी। जनवरी में कितने डेज होते हैं? 31 डेज होते हैं। अब आपको ये बताना है कि अगर आप वन डे में 250 ग्राम शुगर लाते हो तो 31 डेज में कितनी लेकर आओगे? अब देखो बेटा, आप 250 ग्राम 1 डे में लाए, अब सेकंड डेट हुई तो आप 250 ग्राम ले आए, नेक्स्ट डे हुआ 250 ग्राम ले आए, 250 प्लस 250 प्लस 250 31 टाइम्स। ठीक है, तो 250 31 टाइम्स का मतलब हुआ 250 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 31 और ये आंसर विल बी इन ग्राम। ठीक है, फिर जो भी आंसर आएगा, इसका जो भी आंसर आएगा, यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू किलोग्राम। कन्वर्जन तो पता ही है आपको। Why you have to convert in kilogram? Because if you read the question again, question फिर से पढ़ो, उसमें क्या लिखा है? What is the weight in kg? They are not asking you weight in gram. They are asking you weight in kilogram. Okay. So let's do it. Okay, wait. Okay, let's start it.
Ma'am, we have to write the questions also.
Beta, are you doing the word problem for the first time? Who is asking me this question? Who is asking me this question? Are you doing the word problem for the first time in class? How do we used to do? You don't remember? Okay, write exercise 9.4 in the new page on the Maths Fair notebook. Exercise 9.4. Write question 1. A man. Okay. A man से लेकर dot 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 January. Now answer 1. Okay, I'm going to share the screen with you for this answer. Achha, wait, let me write.
Ma'am, we can do it alone.
You can do it alone means? You can do it on our own. Okay, on your own you can do it. Yes, but let me tell you the statements. Weight of sugar bought in 1 day. Bought in 1 day. How much sugar is bringing in 1 day? 250 gram. January है, बीच में ये जरूर लिखना है, January has 31 days. January has 31 days. Now same statement, weight of sugar, WT is the short form of weight. Weight of sugar bought in 31 days. Bought in 31 days is equals to 250 multiplied by 31 gram. Beta, see, multiply is not different here. मल्टीप्लाई उसी सिमिलर वे में होगा जैसे आप करते हो, 250 को आप 31 से जैसे मल्टीप्लाई करते हो आप वैसे मल्टीप्लाई करके, ठीक है। गेट योर आंसर, इट विल बी कमिंग इन ग्राम्स। ये भी ग्राम है तो ये भी ग्राम्स में ही आएगा आंसर। ओके, कन्वर्ट दैट व्हाटएवर ग्राम्स इज कमिंग टू किलोग्राम। किलोग्राम को ग्राम में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए क्या करते हैं? डिवाइड बाय 1000। जो भी नंबर आएगा उसको डिवाइड बाय 1000 करके केजीस में लिखते हैं। Just do it quickly. Solve this quickly yourself. Solve this and tell me the answer. Okay, I'm going to tell you the answer. Okay, tell me the answer. Lakshay, tell me answer. What will come here? It will come 250, I know. Next वाली लाइन में बताओ लक्ष्य क्या आएगा, जल्दी से। लक्ष्य, हाँ, लक्ष्य, where are you? लक्ष्य, लक्ष्य, लक्ष्य। Okay, Nihit, you tell. जल्दी से
Ma'am,
बताओ। हाँ,
Ma'am, 690.
690? No. No, beta. 3 zeros are 0, 3 5s are 15. 3 0 0, 3 5 15, 3 2 750 आ रहा है बेटा. 0577. So answer will be 7750 gram. 7750 gram. Convert it into kilogram. 7750 को divided by 1000 करोगे तो आंसर आएगा 7.750 kgs. Correct it. Write it down. Those who have not done it, they also do it quickly. जल्दी से finish करो इसको. You should not take so much time. No need to send the answer, लेकिन खुद जल्दी जल्दी करो. I will ask the answers all together. साथ में मांगूंगी मैं answers. Let's start doing the next question. Okay. Karthik Shankdhar, read the next question. Question number 2. Karthik Shankdhar, read question number 2.
Two parallel roads are of length 34.567 kilometer
बेटा
and
567 नहीं होता है, 567
21.87.
होता है. कार्तिक पहले दिन बात सुन लो बेटा. 567 नहीं होता, 567 नहीं होता है. It's 567. Read it again.
567 kilometer and two parallel roads are of length 34.567 kilometer and 21.879 kilometer each. What is length of both the roads together?
Okay. So what is given here? Can somebody explain me the question? Raise your hand on the video. The one who will raise on hand on the video, I'll just ask them only. Okay, Noel, I can see. Yes, Noel, you can speak.
Ma'am, in the question, it is saying that there are two parallel roads and the length are
Let the number be.
567
Number कुछ भी हो सकता है. Don't read the number again and again. But number छोड़ के explain me the question. What is going on here and what we have to do here. हाँ.
Ma'am,
हाँ.
we will add them.
नहीं, what is going on here? What they are asking? What is given in the book and what they are asking about? I'm not telling
Ma'am,
about.
they are asking
Leave the.
about
हाँ.
what will be the length of the both roads.
How will you calculate it?
Ma'am, by adding.
By adding what?
Ma'am, the number.
The numbers. Which numbers? You will not add the numbers. Numbers could be anything. What you are going to add?
Ma'am, the kilometer.
No, you cannot add kilometers.
Ma'am, the length of the road.
Very good, Nihit. Excellent. Yes, we are going to add the length of the two roads. First road, length of the first road as well as the length of second road. We are going to add them. Okay. Very good. Just wait. Remove this part. Yes. So, in second question, two roads are given to us. So, I'm going to rub this. See here. Two roads are there. One road and the second road. Okay, the length of this road is given. The length of this road is given to you and the length of this road is given to you. And they are asking what is the length of both the roads together. So how will you do length of this road plus length of this road? Number could be anything. Don't focus on the numbers. Kiss number mein kya hai? Okay, we are not going to add the numbers. We are going to add the length of this one and the length of this one. Length change bhi ho sakti hai. Okay. So let me show you. Just let me show you. Okay, let me show you the next question. No, sorry, next answer. Wait a minute. Find the difference. No, we are on question number 2. Just wait. What will be the first statement? Tell me yourself. All of you tell me yourself. What will be the first statement?
Ma'am, the length of one road.
The length of
Ma'am, the length of one road.
first road.
Ma'am, the
The length
length
of
of
Ma'am, the
first
length of
road.
first road.
Length of first road, length of second road. Like this, okay? Okay, let me share you the screen. Okay, you can start doing here. Okay, start doing this.
Ma'am, we have to write this from the same page.
Yes, yes, you can continue from the same page. If you have space there, you can continue from the same page. Start doing this. Solve it yourself, okay? Everyone.
Seven.
Yes, yes, yes. There is a little bit mistake over here. So I'm just going to change it. Okay, wait. I'm going to change it.
पूरा सम गलत था.
पूरा सम नहीं गलत हुआ है. कौन कह रहा है पूरा सम गलत हो गया है? पूरा गलत नहीं
मैम
हुआ है.
एक डिजिट गलत हो गया
हाँ,
है.
बस
एक
एक
डिजिट.
डिजिट विल बी डिफरेंट. पूरा सम गलत नहीं हुआ है. बस यहाँ पे 5 आ जाएगा. That's it. कोई पूरा सम गलत नहीं हुआ है. Only one digit will be different. Okay, so what will come here? Tell me. 9 plus 7 is what? 16. 6 will come here. What will come here? जल्दी से बताओ क्या होगा?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
14.
Ma'am, there is 12.
Ma'am, 14.
14.
Ma'am, 12.
12 कहीं से
Ma'am,
भी?
13.
13
Ma'am,
नहीं 14.
Yes, ma'am, 14.
Because वो एक change हो गया ना. Okay, here it will be a point here. Point के नीचे point. 4 plus 1 is 5.
6.
हाँ 6 sorry. और वो क्या उनको वो carry भी है. And 3 plus 2 1 is 5. So answer is 56446 kilometers. Do not forget to put the last number as kilometer. So here also roads together is 56.446 kilometers. Okay. Shall we begin to the next question? I think everyone has done. I can see in the chat box many of you have done.
Yes, ma'am.
Just correct this 5 बीच वाला 5 और ये 4 ठीक कर लेना. Just correct this one. 5 and 8 is equals to 584. This one. Correct it yourself. I've used the whitener here. I've used the whitener here. Right? Okay. Now I'm going to stop sharing it. Everyone has done? Somebody is left? Somebody left?
I'm done.
Okay, now I'm going to stop sharing it. Okay, we are going to start the next question now. The next question is on question number 3. Nihit, read the question number 3.
Yes, ma'am. A granary has 345.234 kg of wheat, 199.564 kg of wheat is distributed by the government. How much wheat is left?
So what happened? There is a granary. Granary is a place where grains are stored. Wheat, rice. Adeshika, sit properly and wait. Adeshika. Adeshika. Are you studying or what you are doing, beta?
Jessica. Yes,
What are
ma'am.
you doing? Are you studying? Are you studying or what else are you doing? What are you doing?
Ma'am, I am writing the third question.
Who asked you to do the third question? Who asked you to do the third question? I don't think so. You are studying. I called you so many times and then you are answering me. Study properly, Adeshika. Okay? Okay, now next question is okay, granary. Granary is a store place where where grains are stored. Okay, there is a granary and in that granary 300 some wheat is there because they see this is a granary. It some wheat is stored here. ठीक है, इसमें 345.234 kgs इतना wheat था. Don't pay attention on the number. इतना wheat था. अब गवर्नमेंट ने उसमें से थोड़ा सा wheat डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया. ठीक है. 199.564 wheat is distributed by the government. How much wheat is left? अब इसमें से थोड़ा सा wheat डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया. अब आपको बताना है यहाँ पर कितना wheat रह गया. कैसे कैलकुलेट करोगे?
मैम हमें सब्ट्रैक्ट करना होगा.
इंग्लिश निहित.
Ma'am, we have to subtract 345.234 kg to
Beta, don't. I always say don't pay attention on the numbers. We don't pay attention on the numbers. Don't pay attention on the numbers.
Ma'am, we have to subtract the kg. The
kg नहीं subtract करने हैं. kg नहीं subtract करने. We have to subtract the wheat which is in the granary. Wheat which is in the granary minus. We have to subtract wheat in the granary minus wheat distributed. Wheat distributed. We have to subtract it. जो wheat distribute हो गया है वो हमें subtract कर देना है. Okay. Now I think the period will be over in 1 minute. So it's not better not to share it. We'll do this question in the next period. Whenever we'll have the next period, we'll do this question. So bye everyone. We'll see you in the next period. Complete this work, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Complete this work till here. Everyone complete this work because this chapter will be going to be over. I suppose this week we will be able
Bye,
to
ma'am.
Bye everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Abhi the time is there. 1 minute is there.
Merry Christmas, ma'am.
Same to you, beta. Same to you. Enjoy your Christmas. Enjoy your evening today. Tomorrow what? Holiday? कौन पूछ रहा है? हैं? कौन पूछ रहा है ये? Tomorrow के बारे में? Who is asking? Somebody was asking. अब वो बोलते बोलते चुप हो गए. कौन है ऐसा? कौन था वो? Who was there? Who was asking tomorrow is करके? Nihit, you were there?
No, ma'am.
Acha, okay. You will come to know. Okay. Bye everyone. So I'm going to leave the meeting now.